10, unit stopping traffic on 10. Very low, very low.
Don't get in the street, please. Yeah, guys, I got the bell here pretty quick, so everybody fan out.
Okay, past Kentucky, still east.
They're digging around in the car. They're about to crash. Alright, they're throwing stuff out of the back of the car at us.
I ran out of ammo.
The suspect should be wearing a black t-shirt. He's a light-skinned black male with long hair. Ponytail. Okay, 3 Douglas. Watch, there's a car that's northbound coming up on your next street. Could be flying. Coming really slow. Maybe stop it, guys. Get ready.
Hands up!
Get on the ground!
Hands up! Get your hands up! Turn away!
Should have gone with Linwood or not.
Subject coming out of the back. Hands up.
That's not good.
Let's go, guys. Oh my god, there's a dog. Okay.